Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. And in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to hide video from gallery on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, if you guys have private video that you want to hide from your gallery, don't need to be worried because on Samsung Galaxy A36 there's a secure folder to hide the photo or video or any document from your phone. And then how to move the video from gallery to secure folder to be hide is very easy. So yeah, now the first thing first is now you can go to the gallery first, and then now you can choose the video, and then you can click on the right corner, and then now you can click move to secure folder so that the video will not display on your gallery and will move to secure folder. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to hide video from gallery, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.